So here we are with the burnt wires on this load tester, and I'm gonna fix it by taking this power lug. I don't have the crimp on style. I can't get that. I talked to my local electronics shop. So what we came up with was we're gonna try this, which is a ground bar from a power panel, but I'm gonna cut it off so it's not so bulky. I'll cut it right down there, and then I'll use that to secure these two wires to that part right there. So after stripping the wires down, it's as if the copper is corroded. I don't know why. I don't think that overheating would cause it to look like that. It's like it was wet or something. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm gonna try and crimp it on. If it doesn't hold, we can replace these wires. Okay, so here we are. I've got those two wires. The insulation's been stripped back, and I put the wires behind this material, and the screw is pushing into this material, and this material is pushing onto the wires into the surface, you know, right here. So we have them connected. We'll route them back in the way that they were originally.
We wanted to make sure it was a reliable car.
So there we are with the screw lug on this side of that plate, and we have the element back in place. All our wires are connected. Okay, so here we are with the red on positive and the black on negative, and we have a voltage reading, which is the same as before because that burnt load wire didn't change the voltmeter. And now I'm going to apply the load, and when you see that, the voltage will drop. So we do this for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at the smoke coming out of that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And while you're holding it, take your voltage reading. So this is right around 11 volts. And this is about a 640 cold cranking amp battery. And so I'd say I was measuring right around 600. So it's not a new battery. So, you know, battery's probably testing okay at about 80% life. But it is interesting, the smoke from that element probably came from the oils on my hand where I was holding it, but we have repaired it. We'll do a second load test.
Better done? I think so. Cool. See you there and take more off.
So that completes the repair of the $19 brand new battery load tester. You know, it does a decent job for what it is. It's not a really heavy duty diagnostic tool, but in the end, we got it fixed and it's now ready for another day.